Shit, almost out. Okay. Fuck! Damn it, Copeland!
Hey! You're from Copeland's camp? Where the hell is my bike? Hey, stop! What? God damn it!
I didn't take your bike, man. I swear. Stop!
St. John, is that you? Some son of a bitch stole my bike!
Saw Leon the other day.
Yeah?
He was bringing me something.
Is that right?
Folks here in a lot of pain, Deke. By the way, nice hat.
What?
No, this one.
Don't you ever touch
Now, hold on. Leon wore a hat like this, didn't he?
Oh, Cope, I swear to God.
Don't. You want to do business in my camp? You start doing some runs for me.
Cope. Oh, shit. Okay. I'm here anyway. What do you got?
Now that's more like it. A group of drifters has been harassing my supply runs. They've moved into the radio tower west of O'Leary Mountain. Isn't that your backyard?
No, it's not, but I'll take care of them.
I thought you might.
Yeah, always. This is it. The Nero checkpoint. I gotta find some shit for Boozer's arm. More bounties. Here we go. Good. Come on, you son of a bitch. You better start. Yes. Damn it. That's gonna bring them all down on me.
From the hazmat quarantine zone. Medical.
What's this? Nero tank. Some sort of a injector of some kind. Why the hell not? Ooh. Oh.
Sir.
Hey.
Whoa! Oh, shit. Shit, Deke. Could have blown your goddamn head off.
Look, let me see that arm, huh?
No, I got
Come on,
this.
let me see that arm.
I got it.
All right.
Just Deke. Thanks, brother. Look, I'll be better, okay? I'm gonna be fine.
What's up?
Them, truth or bullshit. Feds did this, Nero did that. God, I'm so sick of this shit. I'm sorry, Joe.
Not yet, you ain't. Cope sends someone out here. Then you might.
I saw someone. Something's here.
Sauce.
That's the last of them. Jeez.
Breathing now, would I?
Please, mister.
Hey, Deke, you okay? You don't sound like yourself.
It's nothing. You know, I just let this drifter get away. Deacon out. Almost there. Yeah, come on, keep going. Almost there. Radio Free Oregon. Jesus, what have I done? Damn. Got you. Fresh meat.
Doesn't stand for post-traumatic stress disorder. It stands for put them soldiers down.
This place is a death trap. Okay, one nest done. How many more you got? Come on, fellas. It'll warm you up. How'd you like that? Huh? Come on, you sons of bitches, come on!
And you were right. They set up along the railroad tracks.
Kill every one of the sons of bitches.
That's the last of them. Weeping Angel. This has got to be it. God, who am I going to give this to?
Hell no, I'm not gonna do anything stupid.
On it. You got it. Moving out.
Anyone else here? That's right, go check it out.
Check the thermo. According to the motion sensor planted by Lieutenant O'Brien, approximately 447 subjects have entered the cave this morning. Recommend sending a follow-up team sometime after 1900 hours to assess the cave's interior and further assess conditions. Note to Dr. Anderson.
What the hell are we doing out here anyway?
What you told?
Hey, get some sleep. Deacon out.
This is Radio Free Oregon. The truth shall set you free. The start of this living haunted town. The days before the roads came choked with cars and the bridges
Oh shit, not
This is
now.
Bob Copeland for Radio Free Oregon. Don't believe the lies.
No, Cope, the cemeteries are filled with freakers, not martyrs. And you had to keep moving because of any... Oh, no, sniper.
You feel the, huh?
Goddamn sniper. Let's see what I can do. That'll hold. Another Nero site. Well, wonder if there's anything in that MMU. Oh, I'm just gonna close my eyes for a bit.